In the serene hills of Meghalaya, within the vibrant heart of Shillong, Dr. Learderwell Pohsngap stands as a distinguished leader whose steadfast dedication to nurturing Christ-like character in individuals radiates across all spheres of society. Dr. Learderwell's academic achievements are impressive, with degrees from Guwahati University, Union Biblical Seminary and Asbury Theological Seminary. His doctorate in missiology, enriched by his missionary work in Kenya, provides him with a unique perspective on cross-cultural mission work. Dr. Learderwell's journey began in the early 1970s, teaching at schools and colleges in Shillong. His relentless passion for education led him to pivotal roles at Shillong College and Commerce College, culminating in his founding and leadership of JJM Nichols Roy College from 2017 to 2022. As a young theological graduate in 1979, Dr. Learderwell worked at the Church of God office in Meghalaya and Assam in Shillong. Here, he confronted the challenges of effective church administration, an experience that laid the foundation for his future leadership roles. His journey in ministry took a significant turn when he became a missionary with the Church of God to Kenya, East Africa from 1980 to 1983. These 3 years deeply impacted him, fostering an appreciation for cultural understanding in mission work, a seed that would later blossom into his doctoral studies in missiology. Returning to India, Dr. Learderwell served as a pastor of the Church of God in Meghalaya and Assam. These years were instrumental in shaping his ability to connect with people and address their needs. His administrative challenges came as the principal of Union Biblical Seminary (UBS) from 1997 to 2004. During a critical period of leadership crisis, he revitalized UBS, a premier theological school in Asia, leading it to robust health. In 2005, Dr. Learderwell's journey took him to the USA as the International Director of Global Lead Alliance, a discipleship ministry within Global Disciples. Over 7 years, he expanded the program from 7 training schools to about 100 across 13 countries, witnessing transformative changes in leaders, families, churches, and communities. His tenure as Vice President of the 14-4 Group from 2012 to 2015 deepened his understanding of ministry funding. Based in California, this consulting ministry helped start up and revitalize struggling ministries. This period inspired the City, Stewardship and Indigenous Resources India vision, aiming to see Indian ministries funded through local stewardship, reducing dependency on foreign aid. As the National Director for Global Disciples in India from 2015 to 2017, Dr. Learderwell worked to support the ministry's vision of training disciple makers to reach the least reached with the gospel. Despite his international responsibilities as the International Director of Global Lead Alliance and Vice President of the 14-4 Group, Dr. Learderwell remained rooted in India. This steadfast commitment enabled him to stay connected to his origins while making a global impact in ministry. Dr. Learderwell Pohsngap's life and work exemplify an unyielding spirit. No matter the challenges, no matter the obstacles, he kept going, forging a path of inspiration and transformation. His journey continues to inspire and impact countless lives across the globe, setting a shining example for ministry leaders everywhere.